All right, so right over here, we've got our ingredients. We have 775 grams of flour, 8 grams of yeast, 23 grams of salt, and 630 grams of water. You can use any flour that you want. You can use bread flour, wheat flour, a combination of that, AP flour, you name it. And then it's going to be okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to throw our yeast in the water. We're going to give it a little second to dissolve. That's okay, it doesn't need much. I'm using instant bread yeast, but you can use active dry. It just takes a little bit more for it to get happy. Then we're going to mix our salt in. We're going to stir that in. That's okay. It's going to get a little dissolved in there, and then we just add in our flour. Now this is that easy. That's all you do. Now I'm going to mix this together in a shaggy dough. And once it's done mixing a shaggy dough, we're going to throw it in this tub right here, which we're going to spray with olive oil, just like that. And then once this dough's done, we're just going to drop it in there, and we're going to leave it alone for 2 to 5 hours. And once it's about 2.5 times what it needs to be, what it started out, and it's grown 2.5 times that, you just put it in the fridge and cut off a grapefruit-sized piece. Slap that on a piece of parchment paper after you make it into just a little bit of a ball, which we'll show you on our next video.